Thinking of starting a renovation business in Singapore? With constant demand for residential and commercial upgrades, renovation services remain a strong and sustainable business opportunity. First, define your renovation scope. Will you focus on residential renovations, commercial fit-outs, interior design and build, or specialized trades? Your service offerings will affect licensing, manpower needs, and project scale. Next, register your business with ACRA. Many renovation companies choose a private limited company structure to enhance credibility, manage liability, and secure larger contracts. Regulatory compliance is critical. Renovation contractors must comply with BCA requirements, HDB renovation guidelines, and URA regulations. You may also need to be registered under the Contractor's Registration System, or CRS, depending on the project type. Workplace safety under MOM regulations is essential. Ensure proper safety training, insurance coverage, and risk management practices for all work sites. Finally, set up proper accounting, tax compliance, and project cost tracking systems. At 3E Accounting Singapore, we support renovation businesses with company incorporation, compliance advisory, and ongoing accounting and tax services. Visit our website to start your renovation business in Singapore with confidence.